Bibo Super App.
Bibo Mobile Super App. We will be releasing a video on how to download this, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, on the next coming days, we will also be announcing to you yung marketing plan.
Ayan
tayo excited, ha? Yung marketing plan kung paano ka kikita sa Bibo.
Bibo. I think, Sir Miko, we have some clips on during the training, no? Kasi for the information of all our partners, both from OVI, EC, pati sa Alliance in Motion Global, nagkaroon tayo ng mga training and of course, testing.
Yes.
In fact, training, testing, and then again, actual using of the app until Monday, no?
That's right.
Until Monday.
And of course, Sir Adrian, talking about this training, bago natin ipakita yung mga pictures, we just want to reassure our community, no? Kaya medyo talagang pinaghandaan nating mabuti to. There's meron kasi mga tatanong, bakit ang tagal?
Oo.
Bakit medyo na-delay? So again, this is not a typical application, no? Hindi siya yung basta mobile app na games or whatsoever. There is a monetary transactions included in this application. So there's a lot of things, a lot of technicalities needed, like the compliance, like the security and everything, no? Na ngayon inayos na po nating lahat. Imagine with our third-party partners, with our provider, talagang sure ang security ng Bibo app. Na talaga namang we will be giving you some updates, no, about our providers, about how wonderful Bibo app is. Ayan, nandyan si Bibo. Ayun. Orange. Orange na orange. Ayan. Alright. O, sige, pakita natin sa kanila, guys.
O, yan, tignan nyo.
Okay, so for the past how many days we've been working with the Bibo app. Kasama po natin ang ating mga technical group and technical team. Bibo tayo. Pakita natin direct sa kanila yung mga kaganapan for the past how many days. Ayan, so mga kaibigan, as you can see, we had our system development training with our partners and providers, our dev team. Kompleto po, mga kaibigan. Talaga naman, ready na.
Sir Miko, this is the actual training after that yung first SIT environment test, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi nag-testing muna po kami on an SIT environment for 1 week.
Correct.
To check yung fluidity, ganong paganda, lahat ng pwede nating ayusin para pagdating sa inyo, mas maganda pa. And then after which, a few days after which, nagkaroon po tayo ng additional training.
Yan. So, kompleto yan. Guys, there's a process behind on how we can up and run yung isang app na tulad nito. Kaya, it really takes time. But again, it's all worth the wait because the good news is that it's going to be working seamlessly and smoothly at magagawa natin talagang magpabibo sa lahat ng features. Pagdating sa Meralco bill, Bibo ako dyan. Pagdating sa kuryente, sa tubig bill,
Bibo ako dyan.
Pagdating sa mga load, Globe, Smart, TNT, or whatsoever telco, Bibo tayo dyan. Pagdating sa transfer sa pamilya ng pera, Bibo ako dyan. Pagdating sa pag-encash ng komisyon from DTC, Bibo ako dyan.
Ay, wala na.
Bibong-bibo na.
Bibo.
So watch out in the next coming days. We will be, filling up our social media with a lot of videos, countdowns, and informational videos about how to use and how to register and log in using Bibo.
Correct, Sir Miko. Ilang tulog na lamang po ilang tulog na lang.
Yeah.
Kaya kailangan lagi po kayo nakaantabay sa Facebook natin, whether sa Alliance in Motion Global, EC, or sa OVI. Tignan nyo po kasi may mga instructions, videos na lalabas po. At ilang araw na lang magagamit nyo na ang Bibo!
Yes! Ang sarap nitong mamigay sa mga inaanak ngayon.
Oo, no,
yung mga nagtatagong ninong at ninang. Ngayon, this time, direct, parinig natin yung maririnig ng mga inaanak ninyo pag pinadala nyo ng Bibo Cash yung mga yan. Padala nyo yung mga inaanak nyo, dapat makapag-download sila gamit ang referral ID ninyo para lahat ng kamag-anak ninyo, lahat ng transaction nila, sa'yo, merong kang komisyon dyan, may transactional fee, revenue share ka dyan. Eto, pakinggan ninyo. Yan. Maririnig yan lagi ng ating mga kamag-anak.
Oo, naririnig siguro niya. Paki-comment nga kung naririnig nyo dyan sa live natin. Ano? Bibo.
Bibo. Bibo.
Ayan. So,
Bibo.
tuloy-tuloy mga kaibigan ang development. The good news about this app, Sir Adrian, habang naririnig nila yung ating sound notification, tuloy-tuloy ang improvement.
Yes.
Tuloy-tuloy ang development. So as we use this on the next coming days, actually yung first few weeks and months ng paggamit ng buong community natin ng Bibo is still on the part running na siya, smoothly running. But
Para
still,
makita nila.
there will be a lot of improvements.
Seryoso tayo dyan.
There will be a lot of developments. Tuloy-tuloy po yan. Hindi po matitigil ang development and improvement. Kaya your feedbacks, especially yung mga una nating mga kasama, your feedbacks. Ayan.
Tuwan-tuwa tayo dyan.
Parang kanina lang yan. Yung feedbacks po ninyo are very crucial. Wala pong tulugan yung mga taong yan. Nakasama natin dyan. So, we encourage each and everyone, no? To, ayan. And of course, eto na, aside from those trainings, dahil tuloy-tuloy, ang ating improvements, development, ang pagpaganda, smooth sa Bibo, no? Pag-improve ng user interface and user experience ng Bibo, tuloy-tuloy po yan until next year and moving forward sa mga additional features. We encourage everyone, we will be starting again, all right, the exclusive distribution of Bibo Endorser pack natin. Yung Bibo Endorser upgrade natin for 1,999 exclusively for our Philippine distributors. This is starting
For now.
Oo.
For now, yung sa Philippine distributors muna tayo because of the number.
Yes.
Cellphone number.
Pero on the next coming months and years, we'll be opening it outside the market. So pwede nyong i-share sa mga kamag-anak. Pwede silang maging endorser din. Pero ngayon, as an endorser, you can make your relatives download as free users. Maliwanag yan, ha?
Yes.
Everybody can use it. Everybody can use it. So dalawa ang gumagamit ng Bibo. May gumagamit na free user. All of the features are there. All of the transactions, they can do all the transactions. Convenient transactions sa Bibo anytime, anywhere. Alright? Pwede sila magpa-Bibo. Pero kung gusto mong kumita, okay, sa Bibo, you can be a Bibo endorser. And this is exclusively for Philippine distributors for the meantime. Alright? For the meantime. And the good news is, we will start selling again the Bibo endorser starting November 10. Kung saan, ready na rin ang ating mobile application.
Ibig sabihin, Sir Biko, November 10 ready ang mobile app. Pwede na kaming mag-download.
Abangan nyo sa mga darating na videos. We will release the update kung anong araw pwede nang mag-download, mag-login, mag-register ang mga Bibo endorser at ang mga free users natin. At the same time, we'll give you some video instructions on how to use.
Yes.
How
Para
very
madali,
important.
para smooth. Huwag
Very
kayong mag-alala.
important, yeah.
Yung mga dating bumili, Sir Miko, yung mga unang bumili.
Of course, definitely mauuna po kayo kasi nga on November 10, ito yung mga unang batch talaga that can download. No? Abangan niyo yung videos natin that can actually use and enjoy the Bibo app and share the Bibo app as an endorser. Remember, kung ako ang Bibo endorser, okay, at shinare ko yung referral ID ko to my friend, Mr. Adrian, mada-download niya ang Bibo as a free user. Free user. Ako
Walang
yung
bayad.
endorser, free user. Kung anong mga transactions ko at magagawa ko bayad ng bills, transfer, whatsoever, magagawa rin po ni Sir Adrian. But the good news is, in his future transactions, lahat ng transactions niya, may revenue share po ako nakukuha. Okay, so the more people you share the app with, the more transactions they do, the more revenue share they get. And again, watch out kasi may marketing plan pa yan. Umaakyat yung revenue share na yan on the up level.
Grabe yan, Sir Miko.
On a certain level, alright?
Mayroon kaya pabilisan to pag-share ng Bibo.
Grabe.
Okay,
Exciting
libre,
to.
no? Sa lahat ng kakilala mo, Sir Miko.
Libre.
Tapos pag ginamit ng mga kakilala mo, merong aakyat sa iyong revenue.
Yes.
Kita.
At pag nag-share din siya, nag-Bibo endorser, nag-share din siya, meron pa ka rin ako doon sa mga kaibigan ng kaibigan ng kaibigan ng kaibigan ng kaibigan ng
Yan ang sinasabi namin at ilang tulog na lang yan.
Ayan.
Sir Biko, ilang tulog na lang yan.
Exciting mga kaibigan. We are very, very excited for this. So watch out. with the wonderful new division of our wonderful family. All of this is for the purpose of serving better yung community natin. Kaya hindi po natutulog ang management in the leadership of our board of directors para bigyan po kayo ng mga serbisyo tulad ng business in a box opportunity tulad ng Bibo. Hindi tayo
Kanan. Yan ang sign. Bibo.
Hindi tayo mapapagod.
Right
Magpa-Bibo!